might have a cover that goes over the screw that's right here. If you do, use a pocket screwdriver, pop that cover off, and there's going to be another one underneath there. You don't have to take this whole area off just to get it off. Then use a 10mm socket. Take these two screws out. That one, and then the same in the back. Pull that out. Slide the cover up and slide it outwards. There's two clips, hold it in. There's two bolts right there. Use a 10mm socket, take these two bolts out. Disconnect the electrical connector to the mass airflow sensor. Just push down on that lock, slide it off. And take a straight blade screwdriver, loosen up this worm clamp. You can slide this air box out a little bit and slide it up and disconnect it from this snorkel right here. Just slide it to the side and out of the way. Lift this wire out of the way. There's an electrical connector right there. Push down on this lock tab, and then with the rest of your hand, just try to slide that out like that. And disconnect the connector on this variable valve solenoid. Push down on that tab, release it, pull it out of the way. All right, now we'll take this solenoid off. I'm going to use an adjustable wrench that fits. If you have a wrench that fits it, you can use that. And just loosen this up. Once you break it free, you should be able to do it by hand. And just slide it out of the way. Then I'm going to take this screw out. I'm going to use a 5mm hex bit. You could use a hex key as well. I'll just put a ratchet on here, ratchet, wrench, loosen it up. If you had to pull this hose out of the way, you could just squeeze this and slide it out, but it's best not to disturb it if you don't have to. And take that bolt out. And you can grab the sensor, just wiggle it a little bit, slide it out, just like that. And just slide the wire right through here. And there you go. Take the new sensor. You can put a little oil on the O-ring, or they actually have O-ring oil, O-ring sealer. And just slide this back in position. Just double check the hole before, if you have to wipe any debris out of there, you can wipe that out. And just make sure the wire runs back the way it came. And take the bolt, get that started, and just tighten up the bolt. All right, now just snug that up and take the bit out and plug the connector in. Good. Get that wire back the way it went. And take this actuator. It's a good idea to replace that O-ring if you're not replacing the actuator itself. And slide it in position. Snug this down. Good. And connect the connector. Line it up, lock it in place. Take the air box, just line up the snorkel on the side, and then line up this snorkel. It does have to be lined up down below. Get that worm clamp in position. Tighten this down. And connect the connector to the mass airflow sensor. Take these 2 bolts, get these lined up, and tighten these down. Take this cover, line it up over here, and take the 2 bolts, one right here, get that started, and then get the one started in the back. And snug that down, snug the back one down, and put the covers on.